Today I will show how to buy shares of Admiral Group, a UK insurer focused on motor and related insurance services. Admiral Group trades on LSE plc under the ticker Admiral.L, and this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Admiral.L to locate the listing. Choose a result that clearly shows Admiral Group to open the asset page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Make sure the page displays Admiral Group and the Admiral.L ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the order. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.